Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, on Discord. With online accounts becoming more vulnerable to unauthorized access, enabling 2FA is one of the simplest and most effective ways to secure your account. It adds an extra verification step whenever you log in, making it much harder for anyone else to gain access. Whether you're worried about account security, have noticed suspicious login attempts, or you simply want extra peace of mind, this easy step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Discord app on desktop and click on the settings icon at the bottom left, right next to your username. Once you're inside settings, make sure you're on the My Account tab. Here, look for the option labeled Enable Authenticator App. Take your time and follow along carefully so you don't miss any important steps. Next, click on Enable Authenticator App, and Discord will ask you to enter your account password. Type in your password and click Continue. After that, you'll see a QR code displayed on your screen. This QR code is what links your Discord account to your Authenticator app. Now, grab your phone and open a trusted Authenticator app. Inside the app, tap on Add New Service, and your camera will open automatically. Use it to scan the QR code shown on your Discord screen. Once scanned, the app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Enter that code into Discord and click Activate. Just like that, your 2FA is turned on. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your phone's time is set correctly, keep your Authenticator app updated, and don't rush while entering the code. These small details can prevent common setup errors. Once you've completed these steps, Discord will prompt you to download your backup codes. This part is extremely important. Click the Download Codes button and save them somewhere safe. If you ever lose access to your phone, these codes can help you recover your account quickly and securely. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to enable 2FA on Discord easily and protect your account from unauthorized access. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who want to keep their Discord accounts secure. Why not make someone's day easier?